feel like as I've been getting older, I have been looking for more fun ways to avoid adulthood responsibilities. And one of those responsibilities being keeping the house clean. Now luckily we live in a future where robots can clean your house, and lucky for me, Shark reached out and sent me their Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. So like the name says, this is a robot that not only vacuums but mops as well. Then it empties itself, cleans itself, and refills itself. But we'll get to that later. First, let's go through the setup. So the setup itself is actually pretty straightforward. You just connect to it through the Shark Clean app, pair it with your phone, and now what it's gonna do is it's gonna go around my house and create a map. This is so it knows where to go, what objects to avoid like my furniture, and also identify the different floor types that it's on. And after the robot goes on a little bit of an exploration, we got a map. The app itself, very simple, super user-friendly. For the sake of this video, I only mapped out my living room and my bedroom, and as you can see, each of the rooms are separately labeled. You can clean the whole home, clean by room selection, or pinpoint a spot within your home and have it clean that specific area. And if there's an area you don't want it to go to, you can also set up no-go zones. You can also schedule the Shark PowerDetect robot to clean at specific times and on certain days, as well as what kind of cleaning you want it to do. So let's say I leave the house for work on Mondays at 8 a.m. I can schedule it to start doing a deep clean every Monday at 8:05. Then when I come home from work, I come home to a clean floor. All right, now let's look into some of the main cleaning features that the Shark PowerDetect robot has to offer. Dirt detect. This one sounds pretty self-explanatory. It detects dirt. I'm just kidding. It detects dirt and then boosts its suction power for a more enhanced pickup. Floor detect. This is going to detect whether the flooring is hardwood or carpet and adjust the cleaning accordingly. If the Shark PowerDetect robot detects carpet, it'll lift up the mop. That way it's not dragging a wet mop all over your carpet. Floor detect is also part of Shark's Never Stuck technology, so that means the robot will lift itself to maneuver over things like thresholds and thick carpets to avoid getting stuck. Edge detect. So this is pretty cool. If the robot is in the shape of a circle, how does it clean the corners? So the Shark PowerDetect robot blasts air directly into the corners and edges, pushing all that dirt and debris into its path and then vacuuming it up. I don't know, I thought that was pretty cool. And then to mop the corners and edges, it also has wet edge detect. This is gonna extend the mop pad out to up to an inch, making sure it's gonna scrub all those nooks and crannies. Stain detect. Basically, this is gonna find more of those apparent stains and automatically go over that area a few extra times to make sure it fully gets rid of them. So clearly the Shark PowerDetect robot has some pretty innovative cleaning tech. But after all the cleaning is said and done, it's gonna go back home to the NeverTouch Pro base. From here, it'll then proceed to self-empty all the dirty water into the dirty water tank, all the dirt and debris into a 60-day capacity bag, then it'll automatically refill itself with clean water from the clean water tank, which will automatically refill for up to 30 days. And to end off the entire cleaning run, the Shark PowerDetect robot is going to self-wash and self-dry the mop pad. It's cleaning the house and itself without you having to do anything for like weeks. The only thing you ever need to do is empty the dirt bin after like 2 months and refill the water tank every 30 days. Being able to just push a button and have this mop and vacuum your house frees up so much time. I can leave the house and come home to a clean floor, work on videos while this cleans in the background, or even just deal with all my other responsibilities. Now, I don't know if you guys have used a robot mop vacuum before. I personally have, but the Shark PowerDetect robot is finally one that checks off all the boxes. Having features like blowing air into the edges and corners to get that dirt out, to the odor cartridge, these are just really nice quality of life features that I can genuinely appreciate. The smell from my other robot mop vacuum was atrocious. Be glad that you guys can't smell on YouTube videos. If you guys are looking for a robot mop vacuum, I would definitely check this one out because it's definitely got some cool features that I think you'd like. And thanks again to Shark for sponsoring this video.